tree over here. Watch the obstacle. Oh shit, gotta find this drone. Whoa, what the heck just happened there?
You so precious when you.
Alright, so to kick things off, let's get moving, get over to the park. It is windy, it's like super 30-mile-an-hour winds, but hey, I've got to get this done. We're supposed to be in summer. It is slightly okay, it's like 67 degrees, but hey, summer doesn't promise no wind, right? Wind, sleet, snow, or shine, gonna get the video done every time. Anxious to get this giveaway done. Want to move on to bigger and better things like the Autel Evo. I just saw a tweet says Mavic Pro 2 will be out in less than 2 months because DJI is not releasing any more drones for the rest of the year. I don't know how true that is, but either which way, just like you, I'm waiting, speculating, hoping, all that fun stuff. Anyway, let's get over to the park and get this thing up in the air and test it out and see what happens.
You so precious when you.
Touch. Whoa. What the heck just happened there? I have no idea what just happened there. Alright, I don't know what happened there. Let's try it back. It's following. Following it. Definitely following it. Tap there. Let's draw a box over it. Go. 11 miles an hour, going pretty good. We're going close to 20 miles an hour now. Wow, this thing is following. I'm going 19 miles an hour, 20. Wow. 23 miles an hour, still following. 21 miles an hour. There we go. Right around this bend. Got like a tree and stuff there. See how it handles that. Pretty darn good. Oh, we've got a tree over here. Let's try and keep it to the side. Watch the obstacle. The obstacle. Stop. Let's go up. Okay. and it's on the floor. Oh shit. Gotta find this drone. Oh my god, where is it? Where is it? Ah. Are you kidding me? Spotless? Not a blemish? Oh my god. I am so lucky. On top of this huge tree, guys. Huge tree. Like, let me turn the camera around so you can see. I mean, huge. Look at this tree. I mean, I was doing about 20 something miles an hour coming down this road here, maneuvering between this big tree and this medium-sized one, and it just, even with obstacle avoidance, it couldn't do it. It hit the tree and it kind of stopped, and then, you know, it kind of hit the tree and then stopped. Like, I could see like it hit the tree, and I went up. Maybe instead of going back, I went up and probably hit another branch and came tumbling down that entire tree. Luckily it didn't get trapped, didn't get caught in the tree, fell all the way down and in the grass at the bottom here. Perfect. I mean, not a scratch, not a blemish, not a broken prop, not nothing. I mean, whew. Guys, this just goes to show obstacle avoidance is great. At 30 miles an hour, maybe 25 miles an hour as I was going just now, maybe a little too fast for this drone to process, to avoid obstacles, and to stay in touch with me at the same time and follow me. It was a little difficult, but I will say, going from 0 to 10 miles to 50 miles to 20 miles an hour, this drone kept up. I mean, if it's possible that you know you're in a big open area where there's no trees or anything at all, this thing does a pretty good job of following a vehicle, at least at 25 miles an hour. I had no problems until I met the tree. Then it's hard for it to decipher whilst following me to avoid the tree, and I think that's where I kind of overloaded the processor, maybe with too much information, and it just choked or something happened. I don't know. Moral of the story, I'm not trying this again. You can see the limitations, you know, trust me to push the limitations. I took a chance, and had this drone only landed on the concrete, like only landed there, you know, that would have been it. Fortunately, it went just off into the grass, and pretty much that's what saved me. Otherwise, I would have had to replace this drone. I would have not been a happy camper, especially with new drones come out. The Pirate drone that just came out that I just heard about, I don't know if you guys heard about it. Head over to Pirate's website and check it out. It's supposed to be like a DJI Mavic Pro killer. Don't quote me on that. I'm just saying, I am feeling so lucky right now, because for me to go swipe my credit card again, to spend another $700 and something for a drone that I really don't want or really care for much, because it's just not my style, just not my cup of tea. Still a great drone, would really have hurt me, but I'm a man of my word, and if I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it. Even at my expense, I will. So I'm here right now thanking my blessings, but you know what, the show must go on. I've got to finish this video. I've got to check profile mode and the other mode for active track. I've started it, I'm here already. A man's got to do what a man's got to do. I've got to finish it, guys. So let's take it outside, start it up, and hope for the best. Let's see if this thing flies. It's not asking me to do any checks.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Sensor's working? Wow. You can hear it.
Yeah. Wow.
Sensors work.
Looks pretty good in the air too. Give it a dip down and a dip up.
Camera works.
Yeah, it looks good, man.
I am like the luckiest guy on earth, and whoever's winning this drone is also the luckiest person on earth. So 2 lucky people.
Could be me.
It could be him too. It could be anybody. Let me do a pan out. Make sure this thing works good. Hey, flies like a boss. Like, I cannot complain. Anyway, back to business. Let's finish this active track business. Let's go to active track. What I'm going to do is try and track myself from the side, because I know there aren't any trees or anything. Could you imagine this, guys? Not even a gimbal calibration or anything. Like, I am so hyped right now. I can do like whatever. Okay, Alright, track me from the side. Tap or move around the box. Let's move away a little bit. There we go. Let's tap me. Do you see me? Let's move a box around. Let's lower the speed. I'm not too big on speed. Let's hit go. Yeah, it's tracking from the side pretty well. You know, it's keeping the distance, and it's like for a side tracking profile thing. Alright, so I mean, that works. It's good to know that after a crash, everything still works. Like, I'm so hyped, guys. Like, I am so hyped right now. I am like, oh, the luckiest guy on earth. Okay, let's stop that. Let's try spotlight. So this basically just, all you do with this is control where the camera is pointing. So let me highlight myself, and that's it. You know, I can move around. The drone will spin on its axis, pretty much. That's what it's doing. It's revolving on its axis. As you can see, it's spinning around because I'm circling it. I'm running in a circle. Whoa, I'm running side to side. It won't follow me. It'll spin on its axis. It won't follow me, but it'll keep the camera pivoted on me. So this is basically like a camera follow mode. So that's pretty cool. I like this too. Let's try the active track again. Let's try trace, but this time I want it to trace me in a circle. Let's go around. We put the box around us. We're not going too fast. 13 miles an hour is good. It's go. Okay, so let's see if it follows me like it should. It will follow me and maintain that same distance. Now let's do a circle around me. Let's see if it can circle me. Can't complain at all. And let's switch the circle to the other side. Alright guys, this wraps up the active track test. The drone is perfect. It flies great. Kisses, baby. Goodbye. To all of you that have been following me on YouTube, to all of you who've been watching all of my videos and learning all the tips and tricks from the beginning to the end of this DJI Mavic Air series, it is officially over. Good luck, guys. I wish you guys nothing but the best. And this is your boy Drone X Factor, and I've got to be flying out.
So precious when you smile. Yeah.